In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do step ups onto an exercise step up. So you don't need to use a step up, you can use anything just like a general step to replicate this exercise. So what I want you to do is firstly, if you're using an exercise step like me, pop your foot in the middle of the step up, not only lengthways, but also width as well. That means that we're not going to have the foot coming too far forwards or too far back, which could create an injury or tip the step up. So from here, once you've got that position where you've got the leg that you would like to work on the step up, you're going to keep that leg on the step up. So I'm now going to bring my knee in a position where it's in line with the second toe, so the toe next to the biggest toe. And from here, I'm then going to come up and back down. If you've got the privilege of having a mirror in front of you, it's even better, so you don't have to look down when you're tracking the knee, you can just use a mirror. And also when you get better, you'll just know the position because you'll be so used to it, as opposed to having to look down on each repetition. Now you can either decide to do all one side, or you can decide to alternate on each repetition. Some people like to do this in more of a cardiovascular style. Neither is right or wrong, they're all just different variations of a step up. Whatever one you decide, make sure that if you do one side then the other, you repeat even on both sides, starting with your weaker side. That's how to do step ups on a step up.